this video, we will show you how to rotate video using Wondershare Filmora video editor. To rotate your video using Wondershare Filmora, it's very easy. The first, you need to open your Wondershare Filmora. In here, you need to prepare your video and add into the media and timelines. Okay, we will see until this Filmora is fully loaded. After that, we can import our video here and choose our video. For example, here we already prepared the video. We can close this and you can drag your video into the timelines like this, for example. Okay, for the resolution, okay, I don't want to using this video, but the ones, okay, I will delete this. And we need to using this video, okay, to make clear when we rotate the video. And just match to media. After that, to rotate the video, you can double click in here or double click in here for the preview or for the timeline. For example, we double click in the preview. You can see. Now, if you scroll down, the rotate will appear here. Okay, but it's beautiful if you can using this flip. For example, you can flip your video like this. Okay, this is the predefined rotate, or if you want to reset, you can using this. Okay, now how to rotate manual? To rotate manual, you can increase or decrease this value like this, for example. Okay, and after the rotate of your video is enough, you can just click OK. And that's all tutorial how to rotate video using Wondershare Filmora video editor. If you have any questions, you can fill in the comments below, and thanks for watching.